Dump truck is a type of vehicle that offloads goods by itself by hydraulic or mechanical lifting, which is also called tipper car. Dump truck is composed of truck chassis, hydraulic lifting device, cargo, power takeoff device, and other parts. Today, let me introduce some types of dump trucks owned by our company, Dongfeng Tianjin 4x2 dump truck, white Dongfeng EQ2100 dump truck, blue Dongfeng EQ2100 dump truck, green Dongfeng EQ2100 dump truck, Dongfeng hydraulic 6x4 dump truck, Dongfeng hydraulic 6x6 dump truck, red Dongfeng dump truck, white Dongfeng dump truck, orange Dongfeng dump truck, Dongfeng DFC5180ZKXAXV cargo removal dump truck, Dongfeng 4-drive mining dump truck. These vehicles maintain the characteristics of Dongfeng special vehicles, such as reliable, safety and fuel saving, and strong power and load ability.